because not only do I not know what you can see and not see, I don't know if you can see the box, and the box is the important part. This is a 10-person dark rest instant cabin tent that I had to have. And so we are going to unbox it, and we are going to see if it's everything that I hoped it would be. And this is about as good as it gets. I never wear a dress, but my daughter bought it for me, and I need to make today a better day, and I think this tent is going to help. I'm sure I can try to fix this later, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox it, and I'm in a dress. So, it might be a better idea if I unbox this, and then, okay, it wasn't that hard. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So, let's see if it's everything you thought it was going to be. I like the bag so far. It looks as nice as the other one. There's another tent I have that I'm sitting back because it was definitely not what I wanted. So, without further ado, this is indeed the tent. And I thought it was 11 men. But anyway, it's called a 10-person dark rest tent. It's 10 degrees cooler on the inside than other tents. And it totally blacks out the sun. So that you can sleep in later. You don't have it blinding you in the morning when you wake up. And I see that there's another box involved. So let me get it out and at least set up to where it's one of the easy setup fits. Okay. Yeah, I had to make some stuff in. And I'm doing this intentionally in my dress because I want to show you with what ease you put this together, even in a dress. I might have to cut. Where did that go? Anyway, it's just like any other comfort. Really, once you just put the main parts of it set. And, you know, the legs follow. I don't know if you've ever had a tent like this before, but I have a smaller tent like this. And, yeah, this is a little big for my house, but we're going to make it happen. I may speed up this part when I edit, so it makes it look like I was a little bit faster. But all in all, I at least got the basis started. Now I'm going to finish. I'm going to finish. And then I will come back and I will show you the end result. But let me get it up because this is the tent that I wanted. Oh, believe it or not, I'm at a little bit of a loss of words here. Because, it takes up, oh boy, a large amount of my house. And, oh boy, I can't fully extend it on the top. I am sleeping in this. But, if you want to know if this is the tent I wanted, and if it's everything I thought it would be, absolutely. And I'm going to show you a few reasons why, too. But I just wanted to show you, the only reason I broke into a sweat at all is because my air conditioning went out. Other than that, it was very simple to put together, and the only sweating I'm doing is wondering if it was going to clear the ceiling. But hold on, let me show you some more. Yeah, I'm sure you're aware of how these work, but if you're not, you know, it's how it easily breaks down or, oops, pulls right back into place. There you go. It's a really tight fit, believe me, in my house right now. But here is a place where you can use an extension cord to get in. And it's going to be really difficult for me to show you this in my living room. As you could tell, I don't have the top on. But there's no room for anything else. And it is dark in here. But it does have a lot of panels. And I'll play with all that. And believe me, I'll be doing probably most of my stuff in here. And it's a better studio for me than the stuff you could take down and get a lot of ventilation. So it's not always black. But when you need it to be and you need that time, which I do sometimes, just to rest and not have the sun in my eyes, it just quickly all pulls away. So let me check this out. I'm going to put my bed in here, of course I am, and get a little bit more set up, and I'll show you some more of what it has to offer. And I can't put the top on because I can't fully extend this in my house, but this is exactly the tent I wanted. I cannot see my television. I'm gonna have to see if there is a pull-away window. See, so I can still see my television. But this is everything that I thought it would be, and I'm very, very happy with this purchase. This cost me $190, and is it Ozark Trail? Yeah, it's Ozark Trail, and they're not paying me to do this, and I'm not getting anything for doing it. I just think that this is the, I can't get it straight. This is the tent of all tents to have, and I think it's fabulous. So I'll get back with you in a little bit when I'm through playing with it and finish up the video. And the one thing I love about having a tent in my living room, and I put my bed in here, is the dog and I. It's like we're at the drive-in, you know, only we're in a luxury drive-in. Check this out. You know, this is going to be like a video in progress as we go, because I pretty much am gonna do what I'm gonna do from inside this tent, but I've got to move some stuff around because, as you could tell, it's a big butt tent. But the airflow, that's what I wanted to show you. You know, when you want airflow, you've got it. As a matter of fact, these ones here, they kind of tuck away inside here. But your other ones have the little ties. Oops. I don't know how much of that I messed up. These ones have their little ties, so they easily tie up. And I believe there's a divider. I haven't completely looked through everything, because I believe you could divide off this room if you want to. So half of it can be used for someone sleeping. It just tucks right nicely in there. Real nicely. I love this tent. So I'm going to close out this video. I'm going to leave some of the details down below. I'm not so sure you want to see every single thing, like, you know, all the little pockets. You know, and there's another one over there with pockets. And this extra vent, I don't quite get. I think I'm going to have to ask my son what that's about. But it's a little extra vent. And I'm just pleased. And believe me, I didn't wake up to know that I was going to have this good of a day. So I'm closing this one out so I can finish it and post it. And I'll show you what came with it and everything. And then we're just going to kind of go with me as I go in this tent, because I think I can have a better lighting solution. And, oh, there's the other one. See, it's so big I can't even find my way around. Little pockets, and, you know, there's places, too, where you can hang your lanterns from. And, oh, yeah, believe me, I have it all. But I thought it had a second door, is what bewilders me. Anyway, we have a lot more to go through, but I don't know that we're going to do it today, because I also have a bathroom, and a shower, and a toilet, and a lot of stuff. I got a stove, but I'm not so sure we're going to try that. That's it. This was the Ozark 10-man dark rest tent. Sorry. Well, of course, as you can imagine, I'm not putting this on the tent right now. But this is the rainfly that goes over the top. And look at this. I mean, that is really nice plastic. This, everything, all the seams. Look at that. All the seams are so nice. On the other pop-up tent I bought, the seams are terrible. I mean, there was just air holes everywhere where water could come in. Anyway, this goes over the top, so you can still get the sun coming in if you wanted to, but you can always zip up all of these flies and have it completely dark. But this is made of very, very fine quality material. It's even a better tent than the one I'm sending back. There is nothing really wrong with the tent. It just didn't work for me. So I love this tent. And I am going to end it out here. I didn't see where the stakes are. It doesn't really matter what stakes come with it because I'm going to buy much more durable ones. But like I said, this is a very good quality tent. And as you can see, all of the seams, even where the zippers are, that is really great quality. And hopefully, oh gosh, there's another opening. It's like Disneyland. Anyway, that's all. I am going to close it out now. You guys have a wonderful night. I'm going to have fun. My dog's going to have fun. And we're going to play and make a little house in here. And maybe I'll talk to you from in here. I don't know. But that's my review. For what it's worth, it's the first real review I've done like this. I can't show you the whole thing till I go camping, actually. And I don't know when that's going to be. But this is the tent to have if you can get a hold of it. Oh, I'm sorry. But you know me, and I can't pass up an I told you so moment. It's not fully extended because I don't have enough room in my house to extend it. But this is the partition that goes. It just snaps right into place up here. And I can even put it so it can separate the rooms. I can put it over there and make it a smaller area. But it attaches there, and at the very bottom. So someone can have complete rest. Of course it's not going to go back into place while I'm standing here. Complete rest, isolated from the person who's on the other side. Tell me this isn't the coolest tent you've ever seen. It's the coolest tent I've ever seen. So that's it. I will close now, I promise. It did come with some stakes, but like I said, I'm getting some meatier ones. And a little bag and all that. And I couldn't be happier. I couldn't have picked a better tent, and I knew this was a tent that would make me happy. So I'm going to take that down because it does cut down on the airflow. And it's hot in here. So, you know, with such ease, it just comes right down. My grandchildren are going to love this because they knew Grandma didn't like her other tent. And this is such a big tent for us to play in. Anyway, that's all. Now you can have a great day and you can have a great night. And I'm going to figure out what it is that Henry and I are going to watch on our big TV my son gave me. Don't know. Murder, mystery, ooh, suspense. I don't know. We shall see.